I'm Erin.
And I'm Sam.
And we work at Tastemade. And we're about to participate in a fondue challenge.
Standard stuff. Nothing exciting.
They make us do this.
We have a random selection of food, and we're going to blindfold ourselves and then choose numbers. You don't need to. This is already intimate enough. You don't need to blindfold me.
Are you sure?
No, I'll do this part. You're making me feel uncomfortable. Yep.
You've chosen number 2. That looks like something I would never want to put in cheese. Or am I doing a little misdirection?
I think you're probably misdirecting, but that's fine.
This is gonna need you to open your mouth really, really wide.
Gross. Okay.
Okay. What do you think it was?
Pear, maybe?
Yeah. Yeah?
Yep.
What kind? I don't know. I don't either. Number 8.
Please be a fried chicken sandwich.
I mean, honestly, never heard of this being dipped in cheese, but I'm not against it. Okay, get ready. Sorry. Thoughts?
I think it's a beet.
It's a beet.
Yeah.
How does it
Not
taste
bad.
on cheese?
It's pretty good, actually.
Yeah?
Yeah.
How many do we do of all of
I
these?
need one.
One more? Okay. For his third, it's gonna be number 3. Okay.
All right, so there's a scent to whatever was just unveiled. This feels very pungent.
I think you're gonna like this. Go ahead and open your mouth. Okay.
Is it like a pickled baby carrot or something?
It's like a pickled baby pickle.
Mmm.
You got yourself a baby pickle.
That one, there's a lot of flavors.
Yeah.
I would say I'm 3 for 3 though.
Yeah, I mean, you got stuff that tasted good and everything.
Choose a number, my sweet.
Oh dear. Wait, I got 2 on accident.
Now read it to me.
I think
using feel. 7.
Oh, I was gonna say 4. Okay.
Oh. We're sure she's not gonna choke on the bones?
I can
Did
only-
we debone this first? Okay, that's fine. They're bigger than I've normally seen them. Okay, there you go.
Is it a grape?
It is a grape.
No!
Are you ready, my
Oh,
sweet,
yes.
for another number? Good, choose.
I think it was 7.
No, your last one was 7. You would not be a good cheater at this game.
Yes, I'm still going with 7, so I'm wrong.
The actual number is 10.
Oh.
Oh, okay, all right.
What does that mean?
All
Okay.
right, so it's going in the cheese.
Okay.
Open up, open wide for the cheese airplane. I get it. There you go.
Ew! What the fuck is this?
Oh, so ladylike.
What
You're
was
kidding.
that?
You're kidding. Really? We're gonna let her do that?
There
Someone
are no
stop her
rules.
from doing
There
this.
are no
Oh,
rules.
that's disgusting.
What the hell was that?
That was you, like, giving up on having a successful adult relationship. I can't believe you just did that.
Oh my God.
Do you really
Was
wanna
it a
know?
gummy
You don't wanna
bear?
guess?
Was it a
You're so close.
gummy worm?
It was a gummy worm.
My God. Not something I want in my cheese, ever. Oh.
All right, your last one.
Okay.
Try to keep this in your mouth.
Okay.
Disgusting animal person. 6. Oh, man.
No!
I think I got the way more fun ones. Let's see if we can do a full one of these, shall we?
Jesus.
Oh, that's really...
Ew!
Oh, that's really good. All right, you ready? Open up, open wide, open wide. There you go, there you go.
Is this liverwurst?
No, I believe this is, you're pretty close though.
Give me some more of that.
Oh, a little more.
It better not be meat, because I'm a vegan.
I know you're not a vegan.
What? Spam?
It is spam.
Actually, that is a great thing to
Yeah.
pair with fondue.
That's
I
not
never
bad.
would have thought to. Give it a shot. Try it.
No, that's gross. I just watched you eat that, so thanks for watching, and we kept cheese out of your hair this time.
Yeah, we did. Almost. Bye.